There are so many things to learn, new skills to develop further, experiences to gain, so many ways that we could improve the way that we work. We could look at what other people do that do very well, and we want some of that. But I would like to suggest to you that rather than going for all these wonderful things that you see, is rather to focus, to really select the few skills, or maybe just the one skill that you need in order to really make a real difference. Hone that skill so that you become masterful at it. And then you're able then to create your own space, your own niche perhaps, and really make a difference. So focus is key.